Okay, guys, I did the research so that you don't have to about chimney pipes here, okay? Now, everybody's been telling me and giving me all sorts of hell that the chimney pipe here is installed upside down because the crimp end here is facing down. Now, I did the research. I did a lot of investigating online and figured out the truth about chimney pipe, my friends. You see, you guys are right, and you're also wrong when you're saying that the crimped ends here are supposed to be facing up instead of down. You're right when it comes to double-walled stovepipe. This is single-walled stovepipe. There is no extra wall on this stovepipe. It is the cheapest stovepipe you can buy. It is also still stovepipe. As long as it's not within 18 inches of combustibles, it's fine. It's completely okay to use. And this single wall, the crimp needs to be facing down. That way it goes into the pipe below it, just like this seam is here. This seam's a little fucked up. It had to be a little jerry-rigged there to make this work for the wintertime until I can replace it. But this seam going down is going to let all of the creosote and rain go down the pipe. Now, in a insulated pipe that's double-walled, you would have a wall on the outside of this that's a little bit away from it. And that has a different collar on the bottom. The inside pipe is still facing down, seam side down, just like this, and it will go into the next pipe just like this one. But the outside is a facade, and it just looks a little bit different. They're just engineered a little bit different, and that, my friends, is the big mystery behind the stovepipe. So for all of you people that tell me you've been doing this for X amount of years and my stovepipe is upside down, I'm sorry you had to learn this today like this, but we all have to learn sometime, my friends. I learned it today, and you can learn it today.